The next question. An organic compound C4H6. So X is C4H6. From the molecular formula, you can understand that it may be butane. Forms a precipitate with ammoniacal cuprous chloride. So ammoniacal cuprous chloride. This is one of the reagents with which one alkynes. So if this is one alkyne where there is an acidic hydrogen or active hydrogen, replaceable hydrogen otherwise, then when treated with ammoniacal cuprous chloride, when we get the corresponding precipitate, so therefore forms precipitate. So it is maybe one alkyne which will have acidic hydrogen. Thereby it can give precipitate with ammoniacal cuprous chloride. And the isomer of it may be 2-butane from the observation. Reacts with 1 mole of bromine to form 1,4-dibromobutane. Then what are X and Y? So from this reaction we can understand that it may be 1-butane. So that if it is 1-butane, then we can write it as C, 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 triple bond, CH. So this particular hydrogen can be replaced by copper to give the corresponding copper acetylide. And this is a precipitate, red precipitate is formed. But in the next part of the question, what is asked? The isomer of this 1-butane reacts with 1 mole of bromine to form 1,4-dibromobutane. So this indicates that the isomer of Y, which is butane, may be 1,3-butadiene. So that what will happen is, when we go for 1,3-butadiene, which is an isomer of butane, so that when it is treated with 1 mole of bromine, thereby 1,4 addition may take place to give bromine atom here and a double bond and carbon followed by a bromine here. So what is that we are getting? The product of the reaction, 1,4-dibromobutane. Therefore we can understand that X is 1-butane, so that there will be acidic hydrogen and that can react with ammoniacal cuprous chloride to give the precipitate, and Y must be the isomer of X, which should be butadiene, 1,3-butadiene, so that it can undergo 1,4 addition with bromine, 1 mole of bromine, and thereby the product of the reaction given as 1,4-dibromobutane is formed. Hence the answer is butane and 1,3-butadiene. A. Butane. It does not have an acidic hydrogen to take part in the reaction with ammoniacal cuprous chloride at all. So therefore this is wrong. And this is again an alkene rather than an alkyne to give the reaction with ammoniacal cuprous chloride. So wrong. Here it is again 2-butane, therefore wrong.